beautiful Admirals Walk. Looking for an affordable vacation getaway? Take a look at this first-floor condo, end unit, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Recently replaced, range, dishwasher, washer and kitchen bathroom plumbing fixtures. This light bright condo features a great room plan, breakfast bar, pantry closet, walk-in closet and inside laundry area. Admirals Walk has a new look. Exterior renovations 2017 and 2018 included, new roof, double pane low E-impact windows, front door, insulation, gutters and Hardee Board siding. Also, this community is pet-friendly. Admirals Walk Resort-style community amenities include, large clubhouse, fitness room, billiard room, kitchen, heated swimming pool, spa and gated entry. Monthly association, $279 includes, water. Ashton Elementary, Sarasota Middle School and Riverview High School are popular schools in the area. Just minutes to Siesta Beach. Its sand is 99% quartz. Even on the hottest days, the sand is so reflective that it feels cool underfoot. Also, area golf courses, restaurants, Palmer Crossing Shopping Center, Walmart, Walgreens.